I bet you didn't know that you can do a nice simple ponytail with the simplest products, and I'm about to show you today what that looks like. Okay, today I will be opening up a PR package from Garnier. Yes, a Garnier PR package. Okay, and I actually was not expecting this package, you guys. I was just checking the mail, and I opened the door. The package was right on my doorstep. Today I was going for a simple ponytail, and I'm speaking like girl next door, not the high-end ponytails that take you like 10 to 20, 15, 30, 45 minutes to do. We ain't doing that today, okay? It's hot, it's spring, this is giving summer, this is giving girl next door. A simple ponytail that is not pulling on our edges, pulling on our roots, or pulling on our hair strands. The only thing you need that I am using is a simple rubber band. And I know you're thinking rubber band means tension. Not exactly. I will not be putting any tension on this hair of mine, okay? I'm simply gathering my hair, making the structure how I want it to be, putting my strands in the direction I want it to go, taking the rubber band and stretching it and very loosely wrapping it around my hair so that my hair just falls where it may. Now, I don't care if the wind happens to blow it on the sides. I don't care if my edges come out this ponytail. But the ponytail will daggone sure still be in my scalp. We gonna have our edges. We gonna have no breakage from this one ponytail at the end of the day. And we're not gonna have a tension headache. We are just not. Now, this spray by Garnier is vegan, okay? And it is cruelty free. That is what we love to see and hear. And no, I'm not washing my hair in order to get the shine from this spray. So the only thing I did was literally spray it on my palms, rub my palms together, give it a little heat activation, and slide it on my hair. And I'm going to show you just in the natural light just how much shine we actually got from this. I just simply don't want to walk around with a dusty ponytail, okay? And if you don't want something that's going to stink, when I tell you it smelled good, it smelled good. Thank you, Garnier, for gifting this product.